What's going on, y'all? This is old Buck, Carolina Crazy Outdoors. Oh my goodness, I am dragging ASS this morning. Didn't get into bed till like 2:30 in the morning. Now it's 5:55 and we got up and headed on a dog drive with Community Hunt Club. I got my little sidekick with me, my little partner in crime.
Usually I'm like ready to go in the mornings if I'm hunting. I'm exhausted. I didn't get home till like 1. We had a birthday party. Oh my gosh.
And what all y'all get into?
All we did was go eat and go to the movies.
I bet y'all wound up with the daggone.
We did not. We did a nice girls. We were very good because I knew I had to hunt the next day, and I'm still tired.
I don't believe anything what she's saying. She probably wound up at the old daggone male strip club.
Oh my gosh.
That's probably where they wound up at.
Did not.
But,
I'm so tired, Buck.
But we're gonna try to see if we can get on a deer this morning with some old dogs. I just want to hear some dogs running, to be honest with you. I love hearing them dogs run, but and I thought she was tired, but obviously she's not that tired.
I'm senile.
What? Senile?
I'm going delusional. I'm tired. I'm that tired. This is gonna be interesting.
Tell them what we got going on today.
Oh my God, we're going dog driving, we're going gator hunting, and there better be some like barbecue after this.
Barbecue?
Something.
We might wind up at Lone Star Barbecue, who knows?
You gotta go to Lone Star Barbecue when you're down here.
Yeah.
Right?
Anyway, we're gonna head on over to the old daggone club and chit chat with everybody, talk some smack with them, and hey, hopefully they got some breakfast. All good clubs have got breakfasts, right?
What club we going to?
Community Hunting Club.
I hope they got some breakfast.
Community Hunt Club owns land. Well, they don't own it. They lease land all around us, and we got a good little thing going with them. I'll allow them to turn loose on my property, and so we'll hunt with them. So it actually works out great.
So think we're gonna get anything this morning?
Hey, I don't know. Hey, if you want them anti-dog hunters,
don't watch our video.
Yeah, don't watch our video.
Don't watch our video.
No, actually, watch our video because you don't know what you're missing out on. It's a lot of fun. I do get that there's some dog drivers out there that give dog driving a bad name. But hell, there's still hunters out there that give still hunters a bad name too, so it all goes both ways.
You know, I've only been dog driving a few times, so I'm kind of excited. It's something new to me. Really.
Kind of.
I'm too tired to be extremely excited. In about an hour, I'm gonna be extremely excited.
You better be excited. Anyway.
I'm gonna get me something.
She's gonna get something.
Get something today.
We'll see.
It might be a gator though. It might not be a.
Oh God.
Oh.
Anyway. Catch up with y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, here we are. Community Hunt Club. There's the sign.
There's your sign.
Oh yeah. What are you so giggly for?
I'm like this. I'm awake in the morning usually. Jeez. I wasn't 5 minutes ago, but now I'm excited. We're going hunting. This stuff excites me, man. You know that.
Let me tell y'all right now. If you ain't ever hunted with a blonde, put it on your bucket list because it's something else, believe me.
Hey, let's go ahead and say how I'm never late though. Ever. Have I ever been late to hunt? Ever.
You have never been late. Matter of fact, the only time somebody was late, it was me.
That's right. I'm always on time. I'm always ready to go. I'm excited.
All right, you ready to go in there and talk with everybody?
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
He was putting tensions here and going to trespassing. What y'all doing? Getting a game plan?
Yeah.
That's it. Yep. Where y'all gonna put me at? Right there?
Right there on your place.
Damn. Yeah, that's my place.
It's kind of small. You feel you can stay on it? YouTube. Huh?
You gonna do your little spiel this morning? Pre-hunt spiel? You gonna talk, ain't you?
Huh?
You gonna talk this morning?
Oh, yes.
Good.
Got to.
Oh, yeah. All right, Blondie, you got to move out my way. Morning.
Morning. Going back there and check out.
Yeah, I'm going to check out the cooks. Hey gal, how you doing? Man, I'm taking this as not breakfast.
No.
Damn it.
What?
God dog it. What's that? Chicken stew?
A bog.
Hey Bo, how we doing? Mr. Kelvin. How you doing, man?
Doing good, buddy. How about you?
I'm freaking doing good.
A hat for that.
You like my hat?
No, you need to have a mount right there.
It don't work out as good as you think.
No.
Mm-mm. Nope.
Get you one of those chest straps. You know,
I got
right
one.
There you
Yeah,
go.
they ain't worth the shit.
Really?
Uh-uh.
I hear you.
Nope. Whew. What you got going on with slaw?
A little bit of slaw.
You gonna let me taste it right quick?
Yeah, there's a batch in the refrigerator already. You wanna try some?
Oh, I like that pepper. What's his name?
I think Boomer.
Rufus?
Oh, Boomer, I think. Can you get down? I don't know. I have to ask.
It's a dang ankle biter there.
Yep.
What you think about that?
Round. Yeah, are you cute?
That thing will bite your dang old hand off. What's up, Rufus? Thing's gonna sound good in front of and behind a deer. In front of a deer. Can you believe that?
You gonna get you a deer today, huh? Oh my gosh, I need one of these.
That's what you need. That's exactly what you need.
I need one of these. They're so cute. There's more on the other side. Let's go see the other ones. It's not big. These look bigger.
They don't.
They need baths. Woo.
Hey, is that them or you?
That's them. I took a bath this morning.
I hope. Well, so we went back there. We've been at a community club and doing all the to-dos before dog drive, and listening to the guy talk about what you do and don't do, and he stressed trespass and do not trespass. So everything should be good. But they all welcomed me, and I always appreciate it. They tell me I'm welcome anytime. And you know, I let them turn loose on my land, private land. So it's a good relationship. And then they tell me that, well, your friend, she's welcome anytime. We got to figure out a way to get rid of you. What you got to say about that, young lady?
I got nothing to say.
Yeah, you do have something to say. Let's hear it.
What I got to say? I got nothing to say, but.
I mean, what the heck? Do I need to put me a daggone blonde wig on or something?
Yes.
I got to drop some pounds.
Well, you can hang that up because I thought we were fixing to eat grits and sausage and all that breakfast.
Oh yeah, you know that's right. Oh yeah, yeah.
No diet today. No diet starts today. We're eating and hunting.
But anyway, we about to turn loose. Guys behind me, we're gonna turn loose and hopefully we get some good running on camera. But anyway, wish us luck, man. Peace. We is about to turn the dogs out. Hopefully we're looking for a dang good run. Let me get over here on the other side where.
All right, go ahead, baby.
That was pretty dang good, girl.
No.
Sound like we got some dang dogs coming this way. Miss Bowen is ready, more than ready. You excited?
I was born ready.
You better get ready. Decked out and ready to go. And that is what you call half-assing it. Hey, listen. Y'all watch that way. he ready because that deer's probably ahead of them dogs a good bit. Jamie's right beside you. He is. I heard the deer. He's gonna cross right there, I bet you. All right, brother. No, it's his turn to get ready. Dog?
I'll shoot a dog today.
Yeah, anything that you see after the dog's done past you, flipping through the woods, that's the dog trying to catch up. But them things, I'm telling you, get ready, that thing might make a loop.
Yeah, they're probably gonna cross right here at my damn cabin. Man. I'm talking to the camera, I'm not talking to y'all. The dang deer came right beside us. We're all down here just BSing at the creek, and they run one through right here at us. And it sounds like they crossed right beside my cabin, so my brother ran up there. I don't think he got there in time. I mean, they crossed right, literally, probably within 10 or 15 yards of my cabin. It's crazy. But if that right there don't get you excited, nothing will. Nothing. God, that sounded good. What you think?
That's awesome.
I had freaking chills running down my spine.
I did too. My hairs on my arms standing up.
You got hair on your arms?
Oh, yeah.
Damn, girl.
It's a joke, Buck. Gee.
Yeah, I'm very literal.
Yeah, you are. Excuse me, chill bumps.
Yeah, that sounds better.
Not hair on my arm. This is what it's like hunting with a blonde.
They'll probably come back, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
I heard a deer.
I heard a deer. I
did
heard a
too. I was
deer.
waiting on it to come out.
Yeah.
But let's just say what an awesome morning it is. Like, the weather, everything is just perfect.
I know.
Perfect.
Well, that was some excitement, no doubt.
Got
Hey,
my
you
heart
ain't got
racing.
to kill one to have a good time. That's a fact.
That was a
I hear
nice
dogs
adrenaline.
off in there
Yeah,
running
me
too.
We might have to go back that way. Me too.
This here's the place that I'm like renting out some this year. Like I said, I'm renting my cabin out on this property, and if you like still hunting and dog driving, you come here to still hunt a little bit, there's a very good chance the dogs are coming through here. So definitely bring your shotgun, because this piece of land I got, I mean, them dogs run through it. They burn them deer up all the time. Anyway, hopefully we can get on something. Hopefully it'll run it through. Maybe this time we can see it. Who knows? I want to show y'all something that I thought was really cool. Evidently my dad, my little girl, has been down here in the woods. We just found this on the tree. That's my little girl's name carved in the tree. And we got some more dogs running. Hopefully they come back near us, so we're about to find out. What you think, young lady?
I'm waiting.
You waiting?
I'm ready. It's still exciting though. This has been awesome.
Yes, I know
I've
it.
enjoyed today.
Yes, that's awesome. Anytime you hear them dogs, that's what it's all about, hearing them dogs run. Hearing them dogs run.
Awesome.
Still hunters, if y'all ain't never experienced it, go experience it. And the reason I can say this is because I am a still hunter. I'm not this gung-ho dog driver that's like, you should try it. I'm a still hunter. You should try it.
We do
Get your heads out your ass and try it.
So
but-
we do both.
Yep,
We
do
enjoy
both. It's all about building good relationships with your landowners around you. You know, hey, I got an awesome relationship with this hunting club, and it's perfect. Perfect. Wouldn't trade it for nothing. We just need to get this young one right here on a damn deer.
Ah, I need a deer.
So if we don't get a deer, we're gonna get a gator.
Oh, we getting a gator today.
Oh, yeah.
We are getting a
Yep.
gator, and it's gonna be a big one.
I
I
hope.
got a feeling it's gonna be a good day.
What's going on, y'all? It's old Buck. As you can see, we did not kill a deer, but my gosh, the dogs came right on top of us.
They did. I mean, we heard the deer right beside us, but didn't see it. So
No, but hey, that's part
that's
of
how
it.
it is. It was
But,
so much fun though. Oh
mhm.
my gosh, just hearing the dogs. That's like the best part.
Yeah, she said her hair stood up on her arms. I'm
No,
like, huh?
I said I did, but I meant chill bumps.
Okay, chill bumps.
Chill bumps. I
Okay.
had chill bumps hearing them.
How'd it go? All right, yeah. But hey, man, I'm gonna tell you, it ain't always about the kill. I mean, dog driving it's about hearing the dogs. It's about the fellowship.
It is.
You know,
it's
we
like
had
a fun time.
yeah, we had a good time at the clubhouse, and the guy gave a real good message. You know, about being safe. You know, do not trespass. You know, and they very strict on that.
The thing about dog driving is you do have to be really careful.
Yeah, you do.
You really have to be careful.
You do, and like a situation we got into, you know, the actual drivers were, you know, we hoop and holler back and forth, and we finally just met up out there because we knew exactly where we were, you know, because we were hollering back and forth. And we're all four standing there, and the dogs jumped off in the distance, and they came right on top of us, so we had to be real careful about what we were doing because, you know, my brother tried to go cut them off, and he had to run up the road, and we had to let him get going and all that, and because, you know, a lot happened real quick. But like I said, you got to be real safe.
Yeah, you
So,
do.
what'd you think about your first experience doing it?
This isn't my first.
It ain't?
No.
It ain't. You ever
I
killed a
did-
deer?
I've never killed
From
a
the
dog.
dogs?
No, I've never killed a deer dog driving before. Just you hear them in the background. I've never had one come out on me. I wish I did. Hopefully we can do it again.
I think they smelt you.
Oh my God! You know he's gonna say this because I get such a hard time about this.
Yeah. But, hey,
That'll be our next ranting video.
yeah, we're going to do a rant video.
We're gonna do a definite ranting video about how guys give me a hard time if I wear makeup in the deer stand, or they assume you're gonna wear perfume. And come on,
it ain't just guys giving her a hard time. This guy's giving
all
women
hunters a
a hard time. I mean, we need to just go ahead and change the subject because if
We
we
got
don't,
to
we'll
because
start
we're going to
now.
end up in another YouTube
Yeah,
rant video because
yeah.
we've been waiting on this one. This is
Yeah.
going to be a good one because I'm going to read off some comments off of my Instagram and some other girls' Instagrams that get the same.
Here's a ticket. If you've been an asshole to a female, you might just get brought up where the whole world can see. That's what's cool about this, ain't it? So, we're actually, you can see she's got her different wardrobe
I
on
do.
now.
We're fixing to go gator hunting. We're getting it done today.
Yeah,
we're going to get us a gator
Oh
though.
yeah, we're gonna get us a gator.
This is going to be a good time.
jacked up.
Let's all be safe.
We got it.
We got to be safe.
What you got in your hand?
It's just my good luck.
Oh my
antler.
God.
I'm rubbing it for good luck before we go out gator hunting.
But listen, like I said, I've talked about before. If you ain't never been on a dog drive, you need to go
Oh,
experience
it's so
it.
much fun.
It's something that kids would love. I mean, you know,
Absolutely.
the dogs. It's just great. I mean, I'm a majority of the time I still hunt. I do, but I absolutely love a dang dog drive. There's nothing better than hearing them dogs run. I love it.
It's just fun.
When you get
Getting
excited
everybody
at
out
the end of the drive, you're excited and you ain't even pulled the trigger.
Oh, I
That's
know.
what
It's
it's
just
all
your
about.
adrenaline is
Yeah.
up here.
But all right, gal,
All right, well, on
you ready to get around my brother up?
Yeah, because he just made some dang good breakfast. Y'all,
You know what?
before we close this video, I got to tell y'all about this bacon that I just had. Holy crap. That was the best venison
Deer bacon, yeah.
bacon I've ever had in my life.
I gotta be honest, my brother don't
God.
always contribute a whole lot. I'm usually the one cooking. He don't
He
usually
did good.
contribute a whole lot of cooking down here. But we got back up here at the cabin, he had this great meal cooked, and
You
I
know,
was
we
like,
were trying to hold it down in the woods.
Yeah,
He
I
knew we were
guess.
serious. I got serious for a minute. I had my phone was in my pocket. I dropped my phone. I'm like, it's on, it's on.
yeah, it was a good time. So, but anyway, you ready to wrap it up, gal?
I'm ready. Let's
We're
do
going
it.
to gator hunt. Stay tuned for that. Can't wait. I'm sure we're gonna get one. You know, it seems like we always do.
We're going to get one.
Yeah, we gotta make these guys happy.
I know. What if we disappoint?
We ain't gonna
You're
disappoint.
gonna disappoint.
Ain't gonna disappoint.
Okay, we're gonna get these guys a gator. They're depending on us.
Depending on us, that's right. Anyway, like I said, y'all check out my channel. I got another little dog driving video on there. Check it out. It's pretty good. You know, you hear the dogs running really good. Subscribe to my channel, Carolina Crazy Outdoors. We got a lot of fun stuff we're doing.
Yeah.
This wild gal here, we do a lot, and she's on there a good bit. So, you know, check her out and visit her Instagram. I mean, you're approaching like 100,000 followers. I'm like,
Almost there.
Good God.
It's at Becca_Bowen_. So check me out, and he's on there too. So we do stuff all the time together.
So, but anyway, we gotta get your boyfriend out here. He'll like it.
I think he will.
Yeah.
We do need to get him out here.
Well, you ready to go round my brother
Yeah,
up?
let's do it.
He might still be on the commode.
I'm out.
Y'all have a good one. Peace.